So I'm a bit late to the game, but here's my video introduction. It's been a crazy beginning of the school year. My name is Rochelle King. I am located in San Diego, California. I work at Darnall Charter School, which is located in Lemon Grove, California. I have been working with individuals on the spectrum for 5 years now. I started my career working with a non-public school, working primarily with students with dyslexia, ADHD, auditory processing disorders, but there were quite a few students that I've worked with that were high-functioning autism. I did have the pleasure of working with one student who was nonverbal, but we were testing mainly his reading comprehension at that point, not his oral fluency. Um, so my experience with assessments is that I have um, mostly provided just academic assessments. I haven't done any functional behavior assessments on students, but I have observed and done informal assessments as well. I've done ABC charts, I've done the Woodcock-Johnson, and then a plethora of other standard tests just to take a look at where they are academically, not quite behaviorally, or to provide any types of diagnoses, excuse me. Um, some of the things I'm hoping to learn in this class are how autism is diagnosed. I know my previous experience with a diagnosis was actually for my own son, and he was 3.5 years old. So that looked very different from how I perceive it would look when assessing a school-age child who's higher functioning, who may not have been caught early. So I'm wondering how that's going to look differently. Something that I like to do on a rainy day is cuddle up with my kids on the couch and watch Disney movies. So that's my life.